It's the first of the month and I'm super excited to share with you our new Crafty Courtyard kit for September 2021. As you can see by the postcard here, this month our kit is themed pumpkin season. You told us and we listened. Last year we did our fall kit a little bit later in the year, around October, and you said you wanted it earlier, so we're doing a little bit earlier this year. So you have time to do your fall crafting with the kit. So here's the front of the postcard. Perfect for putting on a card front. Isn't that pretty? Start each day with a grateful heart. I really like that. On the back of the postcard, it's going to tell you exactly what's inside the kit, as well as the color palette, and where you can join our Facebook group to share your creations, as well as see everyone else's. Let's start with the cardstock. So we have our 2 sheets of 110-pound ice rink white cardstock, great for your card bases. We have this really pretty polka dotted teal. We have a brown, yellow, there's a light brown and a dark brown. And those two may vary in your kit a little bit. We have a lot of excess brown cardstock and we decided to throw in an extra sheet. So your tone of brown might be slightly different than mine, but you'll still get a couple sheets of brown. You get a full sheet of beautiful orange glitter paper. And then you get this really dark, rich orange here at the top. You also get our 8.5 by 11 zippered project bag. This is perfect for keeping your kit contents together or crafting on the go. Just toss your items inside and take it with you. You're gonna get a full 6 by 6 paper pack. And this is called Pumpkin Season. It has lots of really great fall themed colors and patterns. We've got dots and stripes and plaids and grids. We also have some hot cocoa mugs, which is really cute. We've got some leaves here. Ooh, look at the flowers. Those are pretty. And then we also have a wood grain. We've got pumpkins, and then we've got little fall critters. This is just a really cute overall fall themed paper pack. We always give you an exclusive sequin mix, and this month is no exception. Look at the beautiful browns, tans, oranges, a little bit of blue in there. It's a really pretty for fall. You're gonna get a Pumpkin Season glittered enamel dots. So these match the papers and the paper pack and everything in the kit perfectly. Don't forget your 1-inch little flare button, just something we toss in just as a little collectible. You're gonna get a 6 by 6 sequin. I'm just gonna pull over a dark piece of paper so you can see it. It's got pumpkins all over it, and that's gonna create a really cute pumpkin background. Then we have our exclusive 6 by 6 stamp set. So it's a little hard to tell by the image, but these are some great solid images that you can put together. We have 2 candles over on this side. So we have the different layers of the candles, so you can stamp them in different colors. We have a book. We've got parts of a cupcake, a mug with hot cocoa, and you can stamp little cinnamon or peppermint stick coming out. We've got the steam. We've got a bow that you can put on anything and a couple of hearts. We have some leaves. We have some little swirly vines, and that's for our 3 sizes of pumpkins that are down here. We have an acorn to put together and a little fall foliage. We have 2 sentiments. Start each day with a grateful heart and happy autumn. So this stamp set is really versatile. And once we start stamping with this, you'll see just how fun this is to put all these items together and to create little cozy fall scenes with them. Imagine candles and a stack of books with a hot mug of cocoa, and you've got pumpkins that you can put with candles and the leaves. It's really fun to play with this stamp set. And I can't wait to see what you create with the stamp set. We also have our coordinating dies. So this is a large set of coordinating dies, and it's going to cut out the images that you put together in the stamp set. We've got the pumpkins, the vines, the book, the candles. We've got a hot cocoa mug. We've got everything that's in the stamp set ready for you to die cut, so you don't have to do your fussy cutting. But wait, I'm not done. Normally, we've been giving you an embossing folder, but we're doing something a little different this month. We've got a brand new tool for you. We're adding it in your kit, and you're going to be the first to receive it. This is a Pink and Main reverse tweezers. So you might be asking, what is a reverse tweezers? Well, the reverse tweezers are going to do all the hard work for you. We've got this little ergonomic pad here on each side, and that's where you're going to squeeze. So you just pinch that, and the tweezers open up, just like so. And then they hold whatever item you need them to hold, and they do the work for you. So you squeeze to open up, put your item in the tweezers, and then they hold it. I'm not squeezing the tweezers anymore. I'm just holding it, and it's holding on to my sheet of dies. And then you just squeeze it to release. So they're really ergonomic and easy to use. I'm so excited that you guys, as our subscribers, get them first. So thanks again for checking out the September 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit with me. I hope you're ready for some fall crafting. I can't wait to jump in and create with this fun kit. Head on over to pinkandmain.com and check it out for yourself. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.